Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a little upside down split sequence for you. This upside down split starts from a dancer wrap. You're going to use both silks on one foot. So I would say the prerequisites is a dancer wrap or lock. Of course, I do consider this a beginning sequence. You do have to go off the ground, but you don't have to go high off the ground. Now, once again, make sure that before you train, you warm yourself up properly. And of course, make sure when you're learning new things to do on the aerial silks, you use the proper safety equipment. My name is Laurie Bloom. I am a substitute teacher at Body and Pole. This is where I am filming right now. It's a great studio located in the heart of New York City. Check it out. Also, before you get on the silks, please remember to punch that like and subscribe button with the notification bell on. It really helps me by helping me bring you more content. All right, let's get started. One more thing before we get into the sequence. A lot of people ask me what I use to have a firm grip on the silks. When I train for a long time, spray rosin is a must-have for me. And this is Kramer's Firm Grip. And I do have a Amazon code listed down below. I will earn a small commission if you push the link to purchase it. But again, this is what I swear by, and I think it'll really help you out if you are having a hard time holding onto the silks. Sometimes regular rosin just isn't enough. All right, I'm gonna try and stay at a somewhat profile angle to you guys so you can see, but you guys know the silks have a mind of their own. So if I'm twisting and turning the wrong way, I apologize. So again, you don't have to go up too high. I do recommend at least one hardy climb. I also recommend you not going to the top because you will have to split the silks up. And if you go up too high, that's gonna be really hard. So I'm gonna go one big old climb up just to demo. So I'm doing a French climb. Now, if you are higher than me, you can hold the silks with long arms. I'm gonna hold the silks with bent arms just because I don't have that much height. And I'm gonna take my right leg and put on that dancer wrap just on my right leg. Now, from here, you're gonna slice through the middle of the silks. I like to hold on with the same hand as leg that is wrapped, slice my other arm through. Once I do that, I bring my human body through, and from there I start bending down. I want the silks to be slightly underneath my hip bones. From here, look at my hands. Look at my hands. Thumbs up. I bring my other hand thumbs up. From here, I slide down, I do a forward fold. Whew. Okay. From here, I'm gonna start lifting the free leg up. And if you need to, you can cheat on the silks to get into this upside down split. From here, I recommend doing a little arch. Ta-da! Now, to get out, your wrapped leg is gonna start bending. Hook it over the live end of the silks. And then I bring my other leg to meet. So I have these two bent legs. From there, I just reach up, shoot my legs straight, and the silks unravels, and I can either step back into my basic climb or just come down if I'm close enough to the ground. All right, I'm gonna do that again, this time without talking at like a regular speed. I'm going to not cheat that free leg this time to get into the split. That was just an option that you could do if you were struggling to get upside down, but the full expression is to not do that. All right, let's do it. And before I get back into it, sorry, I don't think I mentioned it before in this video, But because I know I'm gonna have to split the silks when I get up to where I wanna go, I climb with split silks. It just takes away one extra step out of the process so you can get to the pretty moves more quickly. Okay, when doing it that time around, I realized I forgot to emphasize how low your hands need to go when you're folding down in order to actually be able to get into that split. So if you're having issues, know that it's probably because you are not folding enough. But overall, that's it. That is the sequence of the day. What did you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Also, once again, one more reminder to hit the like and subscribe button with the notification bell. And until the next time, have a fit and fabulous day. Bye-bye.